Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Rotem and I'm doing affiliate marketing for over than 20 years. This channel is about how you can do a faceless affiliate marketing. You can see at the bottom there is a faceless affiliate marketing guide. If you are new to the channel, I recommend you to start from part 1, 2, 3, etc. And of course you can subscribe. Today in this video I will show you how to make money with Medium and Jasper AI. Medium is a very known website with lots of unique visitors every month. We can see that most of the traffic is from the United States. We can see the demographic, the gender, and the age. It can help us to choose the product. In the top topics, we can see news or business. Most of the traffic to Medium is coming from Google, and this is the reason that promoting in Medium is like a long run. It's not a quick, easy marketing, and we need to take in mind all the SEO aspects. We will start by choosing the product. In this example, I will use Clickbank. The category is home and garden. I sorted by gravity and I picked this product, the brain training for dogs. I will go to the affiliate page. We can see that there is a high commission of 75% and also there is email swipes, promotional videos, keyword IDs and more. We can use the keyword IDs in order to write the article. I will log into Jasper AI. In Jasper AI, I will click on template, then on blog, and I will start with blog post outline. In this example, I took title for one of the email swipe. The tone will be friendly, and I click on generate. Now we have post outline that we can use. I will click on this icon and open in a document. Now we have the title and the subtitles, and I will use a command. Write a paragraph about the above content. I will select it and click on Ctrl Enter. And Jasper will write us a paragraph. I will repeat this process for all the titles. I will run the command. After we have all the 5 paragraphs, I want to add the intro paragraph and the conclusion paragraph. I will use another command. And the same for the conclusion. Of course, we need to do some edit. We need to read the article and check if this article is unique. We can see the count of the words that we have almost 900 words in this article. And this is perfect for Medium. Another step that I want to do is to add a PDF article that will have a link to the Clickbank product that we are promoting. So for this example, I will take another title. Now I will demonstrate how we can use the template of one short blog post. We just need to click on Generate AI Content. And Jasper wrote us 3 examples for articles. There is the blog title, the blog body, and the conclusion. I will read each of them and combine them to one long article. I can click on the arrow and it will bring them to the right. I will go to the second one, click on the arrow, and for the third one. Of course, we need to do some edit. We'll remove the blog title, add the headers, and edit the article. By the way, if we see that this article is better than the first one, you can see that this is a long article and maybe in SEO aspect it's better for Medium. We can use this one for Medium and the second one for the PDF. In order to make the PDF, I will use Canva. I will click on Document Templates, then on Free, and I will use this template for example. I will click on Customize this template, and now we can edit it. I will replace the picture. In Pexel, I will look for images, like this one. I will download it. I will drag it. I will click on right click, then send to back. I will change the title, and this will be the cover of the PDF. And then I will go to the second page, and I will do edit. In a couple of minutes, we have content for PDF. And the final step of the PDF creation will be to add a link to the dog training course. We will add the link title. For more information, you can check this unique dog training course. We will click on it. And on the top right, you can see the icon of link. And I will add our affiliate link from Clickbank. Then we just need to click on File, Download, and choose the file type to be a PDF. And click on Download. And now we have a PDF file with a link. If someone will click on the link, he will redirect to the Clickbank offer. In order to host the PDF, we will use SlideShare. SlideShare is another great website. You can see that SlideShare have a lot of traffic also. Almost 80 million visitors every month. One of the reasons that I use SlideShare is because we can get a direct traffic from Google to SlideShare and not just from Medium. So we will have the traffic from Medium to the SlideShare and traffic from Google to our PDF. And Google like both websites, Medium and SlideShare. And many times it ranks them higher at the search result. In SlideShare we will click on Upload and then drag our PDF. We will type the title, we select the category. For the description I will use again Jasper AI. I will use the template of a YouTube video description. I will write the title, keyword to rank and click on Generate. I will choose this description. Click on Copy and paste it in SlideShare. Then I will choose tags. We can see that we can have 20 keywords. For example, dog training. I will click on Public and Publish. In the past we have options in SlideShare to use links inside the slides. And now the user needs to download the PDF in order to click on the link. If we see that this option is not good for us, we can use other services instead of SlideShare. This is just an example. Now we will go to the Medium step. On the top we will click on Write, and here we will paste the article that we wrote at Jasper. Using Medium is very easy. There is the title, we have the paragraphs. If we click on it, in between the section we have the plus icon. We have the option to upload our images. Also we can click on this icon, and now we can search for pictures from Unsplash. For example, dog training. And we can pick one of them. Video will add the credit on the bottom of the image. We can also add YouTube videos. For example, we can paste a video. And we can see that Medium insert it inside our article. Also, we can add a separate that will organize our article. Then we will go to SlideShare, click on the share icon, click on the link, and we will paste it inside the article in Medium. Medium embedded our PDF inside the article. We can also add links to the article, but we need to go over on Medium guideline, and they don't allow to add affiliate links inside the article. But presentation PDF, it's okay. I will click on it, and then I will click Add a link. And here I will place the link of the SlideShare. Then I will click on Publish. I can change the image. I can change the text if I want, and add topics, like dog training. And then we just need to click on Publish now. That's all for today's video. I think this method using Medium, SlideShare, and Clickbank is a long-term affiliate marketing, and we use the power of the SEO of those websites, Medium and SlideShare, in order to have traffic to our Clickbank offers. If you want more details about promoting Clickbank offers, I recommend you to watch both videos, the Pinterest affiliate marketing with Clickbank and the Clickbank affiliate marketing with Sniply. That's all. Thanks.